And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking towards lovely, cloudy, snowy, freezing downtown Lethbridge just about an hour ago. Yep, we're getting some snow. Minus 27 degrees is where we're at. We actually warmed up to minus 26 was our daytime high, and we reached that at, oh boy, about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Well, it's kind of popped back and forth between minus 26 and minus 27. Winds are out of the northeast. That's no surprise. Humidity is elevated. That's no surprise either. And I was talking to Jackie about it being minus 38 degrees in Saskatoon this morning at 7 a.m. And on the other side of the country, it was 4 degrees in Toronto at 7 a.m. this morning. This is a very solid air mass that is over us. It's going to take a couple more days before the winds start to change their direction up top and at the surface and start to push in a westerly component to the wind. Right now, we're just locked into that northerly pattern. We are getting a flow of precipitation. It's been the same for several days now. It kind of staggers as it goes over the mountains. And on this side, because of the cold temperatures, most areas aren't seeing the precipitation that they're getting in the higher elevations in BC. We're just seeing those ice crystals here and a lot of cloud cover. Right now we're seeing a little bit of snow in southern Ontario and Pincher Creek. You're due for, of course, some heavier amounts of snow in the next 24 hours or so, but you've also still got those strong wind chill values, and that's the situation for the southern half of the province. Up north, even colder conditions, as Jackie alluded to, minus 50 with the wind chill in many areas. Now watch this forecaster over the next 24 hours. We're going to see everything really collapse down to the south. That's the precipitation flow from BC. That'll start to push southward, and then we've got an area, there it goes, see, zip, area of high pressure is going to be starting to move in. It's still going to be cold, but we'll start to see more sunshine radiating down to the surface, and as we get into the weekend, we'll start to see wind directions change as an area of high pressure really locks in and starts to push those westerly, southwesterly winds into southern Alberta. So there is light at the end of the tunnel. Down east, much milder temperatures, but they've got, Toronto got to 8 degrees today, but they've got precipitation moving up from the states, taking the form of rain showers in southern Ontario, turning to freezing rain as it heads towards the St. Lawrence, and then depositing as snow in southern Quebec and into the Maritimes overnight tonight. And then right across the prairies, we'll just lump it into very, very cold conditions, ice crystals, some pockets of snowfall to the south, and that extends into BC in the northern sectors specifically as well. And then you've got drifting snow, ice crystals in the Whitehorse area right now. More snowfall is expected for Yellowknife at minus 24 degrees. It's just cold all over. East Kootenay, you're looking at flurries tonight, minus 15 for a low. Mainly cloudy tomorrow with flurries, minus 11 for a daytime high. Northeast winds in the afternoon hours picking up to about 20. Crow's Nest Pass, light snow tonight, minus 30 degrees. And we know the wind chill will make it colder than that. Cloudy with flurries tomorrow, minus 25. An easterly wind, which could create some fog patches in your area tomorrow. Medicine Hat, light snow, minus 30 degrees tonight, minus 27 tomorrow. Some rays of sunshine, hooray, but with a flurry chance as well. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at minus 32 tonight, which will feel like minus 41 to minus 45. Mainly cloudy tomorrow with a chance of afternoon and evening flurries, minus 26 for a high. There's the next couple of days. We start to pull out as we get into Friday, and then it might be a little over optimistic, but it's something to strike for. 2 degrees for a high on Saturday, and not bad for Sunday. It looks like positive numbers for the start of the work week next week. But right now, reality is that it's very cold, especially for your pets. And that's our focus on safety tip for this week. My friend Sarah was very upset. My friend Sarah from Cardston phoned, and there was a beautiful black lab that was freezing in the back of an open white truck. His poor paws were frozen, his face was frozen, he was trying to balance on one paw. It was really cold. That's just cruel. Bring him inside, and if you have a shelter for them, make sure that they have shelter. It's just a cruel thing to do. Okay, I've finished my rant. That's it for me. Have a good evening, everyone.